This cocktail is called Brandy Smash. Go ahead and put your ice in your glass like so to start out. Then you're going to add about 2.5 ounces of brandy. That sounds good. Sometimes I feel like I make it up as I go along, but I don't. I promise. These are really the ingredients. 2. If this thing falls one more time. Stay! And a half. It's voice activated. You have to yell at it. Ounces of brandy. Now we're going to do a teaspoon or so superfine sugar. We're going to add a little bit of water, just a little bit. Some carbonated water, like an ounce or so. Club soda works fine. Whoop. And now mix this together. Get that sugar dissolved in there. Good. Now this is your cocktail glass. That's what it looks like so far. Then you're going to add some mint sprigs, if you will. And there we go, an orange slice. And that is your Brandy Smash. You are good to go. Cheers.